Hi there, Anagha here. Welcome to my food channel. Today in this video, I'll be showing you how to make mango chicken curry. Mango chicken curry is a combination of chicken with raw mango and few roasted dry spices, giving it a spicy, tangy and lip-smacking taste. So do check out this video, and in case if you have liked it, do hit the like and subscribe to my channel Anagha Recipes. So let's watch how to make this mango chicken curry. For making mango chicken, first I'm going to dry roast some masala. I'm adding a cup of dry coconut grated. Add dhania, add cashews, add lavang and dalchini, add ginger and garlic. Let this cool and blend this with little water. Add little water and make it a smooth paste. Add oil to the pan and then add tej patta, green chilies. Add onions, add curry leaves and coriander. Once the onion turns brown, add chicken. Keep lid for a minute. Add turmeric, red chili, coriander powder, garam masala. Now add this paste. Add salt. Keep lid and let this cook for 5 minutes until the oil surfaces. Add a pinch of sugar. Add raw mango pieces. Add coriander and a cup of water. Keep lid and let this get completely cooked. So this looks done. I will turn off the flame and serve. Here the raw mango chicken or mamadkai chicken curry is ready, and in case if you have liked it,